I was not from Makaba Brasso say, didn't come to train Bremonano pay. Honorable Benjamin Kufiaye, former MP, I am free, has said, Honorable Kwaba. Umpombo Cordia.
Yamiadu.
Adekye J, Deputy Bruno Regional Communication Officer, NDC. Erika Kwaba.
Major Tiki.
A Pombo Cordia.
Yamiadu now, sir.
Boko. Honorable Nair, well toilet today. We are aware. And I buy an abet.
Buy an amateur. Wake up. That means and then yes, you say, and there also be a year. That you the DBA.
Okay. Overso Moche, Yadres to say, ye need ye Janani, and I yan do or see yan my bit mark of fire brain.
Oh, okay.
In Tibet 2013, almost a chassis. Now, once a Makumokan told me Tim Paris, almost say Uko Korea, almost say yen ye in toilet such that Ura while Kaum Peso be to me care pie. Kabit me out now, a far dream. By dream inventions. Na Ghana the end the Okotana Castle of far dream. The Befa when you soon a bed in pa. My suggestion say. Ebeya ya kwan so yenye baby sa wo me yi some best support me na ya ka ye mpet if hu asem ka but ka ye hu
oh yes
na say ebi wo ho nkyere wo da bi a wo hu se de
true
Eric say ono ne ho nkyere da nti ono nim sa ne ma no na so ba ye ka TV se wo hwe phone so
papa dey where you see na brudia
na aba
na no ahwe ye na ho ye dware ba bo bebo
yes papa be free Mali no bana o ko jane na oni ye od be ko we senti okotete nsansoro
hey na man yako
so odiwie na free otna said na so I share a video say Sante Habane Tantane. It's my advocates, especially public places, say you be the honey. Now face so you provide sani man be toilet room. Say yeah there koye no so koye dadwen. There be a me yard ma come say space here intimi nko bi. Na toilet room so here toilet so intimi anya.
Na afatike bibi anye hu say akwa that place na obewie na toilet room ni ho na me ke bia ho so ye isolated kakra na hu style odi be pie
semo entina yes so ye di toilet day no ye senanse obroni bi ba ha na so Ghana for per reading pa obi ko toilet kra okuta newspaper I'm so nim say
what wrong meat
newspaper no dey koye something and yet today's paper now no there na on paper no ground on ma dey grow it's ye di hon komo kakra but honorable me shall same through because nra mo na mo ye mo so mo ye press conference in reaction to NDC for statement or so and it was about no vote no yes asami maminti when masem must NDC for U10 yenye da yenkoto na yenkoto yenye da binim kura se nke be ya referendum no kura yen suspend minim so what say binim ayesa call na minim de wadwen efa ho ye shesa nkomo mfras
otike me da se me chewa tie for nyahwefo nyina especially up Adekye West for nkasem bia ni fie na ja ye nuanum ya na wasa kofa asem fufuru abafie say Israel for nya na ti Egypt eno mu say asetra no koso tena ho anko ye ndi o say tua na mo ko bosha asase ni so na apne start tua na mo no ko ya be kakakra mo du bosha asase so ya no na Israel for we say NDC for na wo mu no started so many days. Oh, David, you ever sang Egypt? You ever sang Egypt? You Egypt and Cassay, you Egypt and Cassay, you Egypt and Cassay. Ibina almost higher than you. Or my moon and moon at Nasi. You not Nasi say, there be your constitution. multi-party democracy in a jatum say be practice no. See per se ye dia or say to me gin in the baby because we more constitution no if PNDC time ye di be wrem into be a serious be a the constitution to me say nyama be brave wo mu a na esitu the times so Sam Reno near per se di to me be brave na bakufo bi nsem especially the president Lawrence no when you used to say okay we be kebi obi be kire nadwe obi say ntino but to an extent you know omo to me say okay me practice kakra say you buy referee say you buy whatever means biano some of the changes need be a free constitutional military era no a bar constitution say yes at the top no there yes bit my party sem but I see ho na me no nyina ho na yefi no there any kwase yetumi party sem ho think I can say one go back and take a step back and history behind said the bar multi party you grana one where no ntiase because multi party sem no kra no as ye the share yenkon at the time no eka those who were in charge of the administration of this country at the time no kwa tzenka party sem kra na nke yenye bi
really.
Oh yes, Jerry Lawrence. I mean that's the reality. He never believed in multi-party democracy.
But at some point, no.
Exactly. Circumstance we were all compelled to. So to wash our constitution power be brave. I didn't share president. No, I can't no one sure say because so I hear a lot of changes. I reduce power. You share president in seven. Into one of the issues, the MK say yes at the national level near the idea. Ubutimi aye o multi-party isem but uba local level dia untumi nye adintia kwesi kono jina kwantia we there. What is different at the national level then the national level so ha ase ho de bi ni ho said you okay say if you apa de nchama better na if you am free na madru hey say my bank na me tumi ye politics dia metia am free dia me ye politics na nye. Is that what we are telling our rural folks?
Obet me in politics.
Partisan politics.
Yes.
Say me ba ha to me aye.
I know they say me enye no ase ho.
Na me say me ti hey me fi I am free. Me be dun kan dia me to me aye partisan politics. But me come I am free dia any kwase me to me partisan politics. What has changed? Am I no more the same Ben aye na ya la ba me ye partisan politics at this level but I see how the new
say bia no edu e bia etimi kwa kopem baby. For example, yetimi can say civil service.
Yeah.
Nse say ye politics woman.
Yes.
Nti ye neutral.
Yes.
Obi so be can say na say ono so ye democratic right, notwithstanding the fact so ye civil servant. So ono so ye politics even while in the civil service.
And so your choice. Your choice. Obi am force so say kokko pick up an appointment within the civil service. And now pencil a bit me as atwon ho afim no akwakoye. But here I'm not being given the chance to come from that local level or no more being a citizen of that local level. We need that choice. But yet the man actually say once I nefi akura ha na at the local level there, you to be your post. Think you a sports person. Ubisa coach be na say sports guys ni be bro. Be catch you say your football sem at the national level in league enkuyi na is because they coach football no ya neglect. True or not? It's true. Ade bia pesa sunye ya infitiase no ehia pa practice no should start from there and should not start from the top rather. It is a static coast level countries where now say China for started some person ball so I follow more Chinese football here. Just say at KG levels near year park near the idea omunyina a training from there obe free KG level akọ primary and secondary no be do national level no a star.
Just for laughs, China for the also stop problem. And yes, I don't be who ball bokan ho.
So it in yet what could do national level no and you bet you say okobo penalty for 900 ball and as for 900 ball and as for say ball. On do that professional level no him how to kick a ball. Already. Sanity what politics so.
But then said the pakono wa nye partisan on to me. Then I need a partisan. Then I'm more economic to me. Obey refia in a campaign. Obey any poster. Obey be obey me ayebi. Obey quite about to convince people say yen to mano. Nina feed into politicking.
Yes, and I just say ya jatum as a people say ya be multi-party politics. It is ya be jatum ni ayen ye dia. I see a different as ho. I see a different as ho. And I can say, I won't hear go into why I'm making the U-turn again because all this was the Israeli example I made the man. Almost agree. Uti the reasons why they are saying say now ye na and tasumuye. The
honorable Mr. Question. Referendum na ye kwa no.
Yes.
The spirit of referendum na say be test Ghana for say be ko binkuma na say ninifa.
Yes.
And yep say monko na monko to yes pe. And monko na monko to no pe.
Yes.
A option.
Exactly.
So it means say meet me ako yes, meet me ako no.
Yes.
Na me call yes me nye bone. And na me call no so a me nye bone.
Yes.
Enti no yen determine
which say decide on go to so.
Men go to kra. And this will be kase oko no a. I didn't know was say ye bone.
Oh, say
or ye campaign say more yen 3 years.
Me nya sure be aka say ye bone. There be. Na mum say open ye dia to say the coast football dia be kan. Open professional footballers at your national level dia start from there. Even education. Ghana ha mon pay be nche bia na started taking KG education seriously. First if you say jump into class 1 and then ka woko. But if you share me who say ade bia open up in ye dia catch them young. Yen starting free as ho. So because you tie the reason say okay, obi bet me can know any day no matter what, obi will be no. Obi so will be yes. But utie why yes, why no? Utim say no for no any reason bia papa bia to asuma enti om pese you remain
but that's
you maintain yes
but that's an option.
It is.
And intini ya no yes and no.
Exactly.
Inti met me can say me me pay no.
Yes.
I won't be voting so me call ballot box ma you invite me say me member reason bia.
Exactly.
Yes me meto be me pay.
But yes, and this open no na wo try say obekire yen de nti a office no ni na ye. And na me so me pay yes nti no e pese e kire de nti a yes no e na ye. Nti obi a won decide so de toto ho a no say oh and ye konu a sunsun san so ni ye call yes nso a sunsun san so ni. Therefore de he na ye. So what your reasons for no for any ma mo ye ya. The funny part cry ni cost some of the bemu. So ye letter for about 7,000. Look, unless on your practitioner, so ye political animal. Okay, Mimi Kruma I am free. Assemblyman dia ye king. Baby ubia nim say o ma contest is ya no. Parties in obi select ni padida. O dia no kra to nchen a, so be the cost element e ba no bisa say ye kwa am free a. As a district, I ye one assemblyman. Assembly area, I ye one assemblyman. There were about 8 polling stations. And each of these polling stations, MPP were executives 5. Omen free soon a bed na homo. Ya to aba na DAE chair, polling station chairman, then secretary, women organizer, and youth organizer. Omunya ya to aba na DAE woman. Same with Minuanum and this situation. Each polling station, omatutu, almost executives. It you buy and free. It means that by 8 polling stations by 5, no, yet me nipa 40. What does he use primaries? What does he use whatever means biano? Yet they elect 40 executives. Say manage party no affairs ukruno. The bad saying, and ye could nipa baako. Dear, I said there is coming. At a cost.
My Mr. Question be Bruni Becker said it might appear absurd. But so the reality is that all security agencies among declare more political stance, but will be answering himself more political links.
Yes.
To the extent that Bassa ye choose IGP, ye choose CDS, ye choose heads of a year. The view is that your will be your views or inclination towards a political party. TMN also your partisan.
No.
Why
there be all kind about professions. Professionals be our more year human as civil servants or more provided service to a system. But here we're talking about election of leadership. But either by and I just to me say, see a ye elect after all party party ye like-minded people. And I call the one side. And I emphasize again, I am free. Yes, ye will be obedient.
The interview Mr. Question more argument back one way and say already no.
Yes.
I understand it here. Into yem. And I'm going to say a stretchy argument and the can say Oko services be a similar money politics who political ni be a cost war into yem musa
so we are now stretchy coffee and my cancer may saka you say those places no option so be pull out. Who police Nancy Abacon retire standing for former IGP secretary. All police more amrase want to mean partisan politics or person so I resign. And now I call contest on NDC ticket. All these areas now can nipa na hono e options. So person who disagree way be there. Partisan politics there be want to mean way. But who they call ye local levels now. We're talking about politics nankasa. And now we been say nipa na ye o mo agina ho no. Say politics na ye dia. And ye ma partisan politics na ye practice over the top no. Emra down ha. Na se nkofo no start fit down ha no mu sua adwuma na. After all this issue of say omo can be say the divisive
bickering, acrimony, divisiveness.
That is even the more reason why I was attacking from the beginning. Now, man, for rather a mature, a tolerant.
Okay.
Because if right from the beginning, or political career down there, no, let's say, tolerate opposing views are. Or rise it through the ranks now, Baby Bruce Rohano. Ya Hana free now, bow by the
okay.
Babeko.
Eric. Tiki. Yeah, monitor more conversation right from the offset, and we said the conclusion and say at all material times no na mo favor Sanchi Sheye. The Munian Mendes MPP4 can say it's a U10, and why should that be the case? I didn't know what's a banasa.
Tiki me that say me chair UTV ashafu nyina na me chair Ghana man penny that was in baby His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na me share Ghana for say baby obi bia wo onhwe na sitinem na mre no so a onfa to aba ya sign found sa show bottom said the na Dr. Baomi abusa say o don sa show bottom a esisika so nti na so don sa show bottom na esisika so a 2020 na wakai a party of person dey no go tiki but more some small comment beyond GS and Sana about win.
Empacho, ye win answer.
Young and Dutch no.
And by ye be pon. So the bay because honorable or the idea because
they cost
ye moving
TK NDC as a political party. Say last week and their position on this very referendum about Bonting. Na ye magana for whom the entire Yesu say yempese ye petemu mamu no eya amanyosem said ye wo haidi. And initially ohwe nuanom kasa and the almost say acting in a bad faith.
Yes,
because ye ne omako benkru mu say yina ye beboa ama yato abane yes said ye be ya ye betimi de amanyosem akofom na ye local governance level no so ye can central assembly concept no ye de abem. But you see, NDC a press conference I hear no. You insist to people say about your kwakotwa DC and Tiase. I was seeing a clear distinct no. One, referendum na nkasa ye koyen about what? Referendum na ye kwakoyen no. The ye afa ho ne say ye see ye nkotwa ba. See ye two wi na yes ne dominate a. E kire say Patemu amamu no. Yemfanye NDC, MPP, PNC sem no.
Enye partisan. Multi-party.
Good. Oka partisan yom. Yemfanye multi-party system nyema ya ye. And NDC as a political party, your stance ne say ase ho no mo ankasa de. Yempese ye di MPP ne CPP sem ne ye den ekoho. nti se nkebe ya yenko different amendment e your constitution no mu betimi amakwan see betimi ato this so abade na say eba ne say assembly members unit committee members a omo ko gina wo party din mu na e ho no de ye ne omo nya adwen na de ye me won akakra ne say enyom na dane ena NDC for acting in a bad faith obi e pese nyina e ka bom ne ya na de mu nim se kuruma ya gi obi adwene de ya de yi enkofo ya ne ba bonte na no adase ye see a tro people based manifesto into a TSC former Ghana for adwene no bia hawa wo no ya computing into a document into ye ba ne ye bon to a ye nim so ko me krom suma hin kroja man nofa ye si de ehia ni into aban ne ba we ne wo se ye de mom omo se ya short ideas ene de okoye referendum wo ideas abu so no NDC for na ya short ideas ne say mo na mo ideas no mo nkonkoto mo yes yeso ye kwotu no a mo se yanka mo hu enye yi tike no so ba mu da ben. It is a promise in your manifesto and I'm a mo share Ghana for
argument na almost say all along
and I'm a manifesto ne yantwra mom obi a party bi antwra ne de one of their promises it is stipulated and don't forget omo try ne omo manifesto mu so omo be create new regions mebo we help them together as a team ye ne omo nyina koye referendum ye referendum we Ghana man penin ba bonten what the electoral commissioner say why a successful referendum mama na koso what the MPP penning for led by me papa Dambotwe mo so mama na is successful so automatically NPP as a political party no omo here NDC fans omo programs are successful and then assistance is here say you acting in a bad faith until na dem person mo kire say you adwene headquarters e was say consult mo.
Is that the argument?
No, I'm also giving you some argument. I was also telling us because I'm not some near Obian in the position on this very matter, and our position is see the partisan politics from the NDC. No, and then no more there inside with us. Say, sir, entrenched provision now, which is Article 55(3). Now, must inquire so referendum. Ye nyani inquire Article 2431 because I know them Rashi be a few 230. Me wa mo amutimi amende no. Yeah, I'm ready to be no so you willing say ho na modefa the whole compromise it is a mo person mo kasa magana for nyina tia say
omo press conference no
yeah.
They no more can say mo kasa mo posturing nyina na akoye say mo favor sa ensesa no
nti ene de
enti no aban de ne ho ato mo conduct no so nti na ya ba bedu sa bre nti ye mfa ne se nhihye bi ne ka bo bi kura wo ho a se ya mo kan na ko ba ne se de na mo susu ne se referendum no ebeye yes nti se mo sha ase na mo kan no na se amamu na che se ya bok
na nyom fa the sample ka kire omo na betena fidie so omo ka kire Ghana for say na nado adwuma pa wa ye nti NDC e betena opposition 30 years mebo a onya 54% mebo a so clearly in Najuma din a lot of MPP NDC for no crab support no. So why you wajuma here? So mama we
may some obey campaign some
campaign na one for. Yeah dey say your position is here to know one. The entire to know is your percentage mu eko patemu amamum. That is at the local level. Two, yeah to know because
ekoma ebeye den.
Ekoma emwa mpuntu. Me ye wa ban mu na me ye government appointee. E wo German Legislative Assembly. Na said the TN say see ye kwa assembly apart from the head na or your district chief executive or that assembly na no na aban na power no the aka bi ani ho aban sa wo e ba na see ye presiding member ya na ekotena se na aban yi ni 30% other appointees ni wia but you know enokra na aban na yi omo awie because others na aban nye partisan no normally no ya na ye tune with omo no until ba if you can be then you join them until you want decisions are you making in a uniform. It doesn't matter as appointee no or NDC ni or MPP ni. Assembly members and say we ni here. Nipa no free suma hin electoral area primary no ba no. Or by say bob na hye wo patemu ho. Nti oba assembly member dey abeto DC and DC ye patemu ho nyina ye bob ahye. And no it doesn't matter party A or party B. And don't forget honorable ye mrahye bedwani. Yeah, opeso sign baby watenem opeso sign baby. Busa ne say semre ne so time one or ye mrahye bedwani a na otuan kwada kura school fees bi no. How many of NDC ma and na itimi ban ho so mo beje assistant? No. Your partisan politics in the system no. O party for bekas o you sell out. You know. So TK, and now many workers, even DC is now, your more assembly members in Puna confirm your mono. How many of other parties in the Timicom offices say they need their support, with the exception of the assembly members in an It's a fact. And Yema where was you and what's your train Honda? So what we are saying is, and now the national level, now partisan politics, no, and send your money. And when there was a pair remedy in the deco, yeah, baby up from Sweeney near a pair solution, the amano. Because and oko from her Bob share assembly member ba obejibi kroma efia unit committee for me border rules and mamuni na eko communal labor tike me kan okra kire on say the partisan politics eko from obefre communal labor oye NDC assemblyman our party for nkwa na bedi wachi. And don't forget NDC the national sanitation labor
national sanitation ehon no ma kire mu say wokọ amama binimu so a
Am to say?
Canada, American, for example, Canada, Ubi Jina, say, Potemu na, Yenimseni Pano, or a Democrat, and also a Republican, or some other political party, and say, so I didn't know. I
some of example be what we say, Yanoma, and Yanoma said, Munya America, some near Ghana. America, man, you're some any Ghana say. After elections in America, you see the nationalistic approach in you can say party leadership or woman, both party, any party being. Now what they are to a barrier and this in your office or by Wapamono, and that they are only compromise and now implement your policy. That is the problem we have in the country.
The other way around.
Good, because who buy no, what making sure say Rikej, now me a government appointee. Honorable Benaya, Muam Rashibe, Jemna Moko amendem ran say, you as government appointee, I am mountainous for 4 years, this assembly member. Abri money nti mo betina kunwa so first emra mo amende no okay dey na mra she bedwafia so pae no. That was what they did. And to me Rikeja wa ma me ten no announce no, and then you are coming back telling me say we should compromise. Mo na mo yes smart. Mo na mo dey adwini nyina wo mutimti mo dey ne na ye. We are not saying say we are against say bema empuntu akofom. And empuntu no be kofom a structure na e wo no sanity tike. And don't forget, and now I know because the national politics there were a lot of projects NDC abanyeria aka nwura mu even young commission and nipa kom nti da bia betena se ane yeka there were a lot of projects I was in kia twaso na nipa yeden ekom but partisan politics party A ni party B na start ye twaso but go to my area say DC project bi ka from ho na assembly members na the pressure eba so say budget ya ekwe fashion on ye dey kwa. What can you say? Because of say omunya partisan politics into you. And also oko me petemu a na me ya assembly member no me assembly member me money dey bia na ohwe me onim ne din twero but very intelligent. See you call assembly meeting na sorry so wakasa tike ensemo papa no beka no mona moye learned mona moye lawyers on the article no ntimi nkotu na de obeka ni twi mu bia lawyer ogina obehu se papa no pese olenke ko ya no bonso woka adeba ko no ntimi nye good so such a me say adeba ko pe no ntimi nye metwase ontimi mputu I put it to you. Yes, tike such a person ye ka se ye assembly elections partisan nature ne ne de ko forma omunyina ne ebesi omakwan because in our local politics kane no na ye pe obi ama na ba mrahye bedwemu a ne ye hwe obi ye popular mebo a kane no okopetemu ne ye pe obi ama na di ohena ne ye hwe obi obetimi rule by na ye the education abe key amanyo sama ye ni krom ha wo de opa for some of the constituencies your stronghold saying na nipa na ode na ekọ no yehu se onye more enlightener very difficult and now ye mrahye bedwafia how many and ye illiteracy omo wo how many tell the yes ye de ko ye ne partisan politics e be bo awura from ho. And also ye won kwofo bi wo ye petemu a they are interested in helping the local governance structure at assembly level but they are not interested in partisan politics. A bit to sense and for because me petemu minim central ni ba ko a or your assembly member I didn't understand this independent me ko and the central ni na wakọ assembly nko 3 terms no oni party bia mu ba nipa penasem ye to abama no wo de opa me emfa partisan politics ni mra mu pe NDC for be di omunipa chi MPP for be di omunipa chi independent unipa na hwan. And even that enye unipa ne botamu for na omunim se de wote no you know indirectly no independent person be Macron o cite the case of Macron meba tike indirectly no krom ha won she de nya independent for biasa But because you nim say mrane say ha me emfa nko wonti emfa nko. Tike say ye nim say stealing of criminal offense meboa. But obi bokro no ye nche no. Nti the fact is obi abokro no ayanche ni nti na amanfo bokro no nti no. Mo say na ye legalize no obi amo because obi bo. Ye ti kroma ye nim say cocaine edwabone a ye mpene so. Ba amanfo yusu sa nu bone no. Yes, when you legalize no be any subi. Mr. Yakase, me batike me de si once wa bemu no. Yakase ye de no ko form ebe weaken your local governance structure.
Honorable Benaya say best strengthen rather because a more opportunity amani pa I training ho for sa whatever na say no sa wo pemno ma pemno me so whatever no na de na for so.
Tike.
Onu sa no hu no.
Me ne nya adwene.
Hu ne sa.
Opportunity ben.
And my example say ye pe ball ye sha see calls near titima because I want bit me identify nipa no
assembly level yam kwatitim o
no what dey
me ba me so me man example yam kwatitim e yam puntu ho asem ne ye ka wo fom ho
but nipa no o ni
asem me ba asem America no hwe dey we politics aye last 3 weeks me ne MPP ne bi e ko share program bi aso Eastern region me ne ye fine pa na omo followers ne bi hu ye na bi mu ate shock say ade na oni esimesi na obenten nam ho. You see, those are the downtrodden. If you nim say after here, many honorable Benai fine. What you say? Some of no the course may have ever form. Make us no who say, oh, Asama making. No, Asama making.
You make an say. Only what done for Name be a Kufudi and to Kufudia for me. But to be uncovered, they call Penquasi. Good. Now Penquasi who say, I don't make sure say, ye nam for ye nipa bako. By a banisa manuals and ye betinasi gidigidia, ubia when position meboa. And ye case National Cathedral here, almost National Cathedral here, meboa. Ye case ye see University of Ghana Hospital Kokubi, no, can different thing. But the episode just at the local level. Say, chip compound anyway see what patemua. And on the 7 nipa be any alternative. Enti abaneba no ye na adwen so one cause na assembly member ni unit committee for the pressure be mu. Even you do maybe omo to me solicit funds at the 12 projects aka hoso. You know all these things. Enti na me no say partisan politics ni nya from hope. That syndrome. Okay. And secondly, answer me the manual from the ticket. And can we be so question?
All right. Time 1 year National Sanitation Day. No. The Papa Julius Debrana at the Bandan Watchers local government minister. Media Chebi party. Now question NDC Sanitation Day. Apart from say security operatives from more patem wo be national service, military, ni police in the keka ho. Omo aka obe hu omo ya party executives.
Yes, because
regional minister. This is because mona mode abanti monya ne nhwe. Enti ye pese monya ne nhwe syndrome no. Edidi mu akwa ye polling stations. Then at the end of the day, no, some of us will never agree. Okay. And I'm telling you,
let me say a question, no, because my honorable address, because I can't see my address. In the case of DC for now, and no dear, was say parliament beat me as such. I know the mobile pencil say a honor yen no partisan. Say.
In the case of DC is there no article 2431 na ye kan ho asem na eno no ye kwato DC so aba but the man ye partisan ye 553 no ho na ye say ye de ye ni omo nya adwene say
enti mo apre so say
DC so aba say ye koyi DC na ni pe wo kwatamu ho nyina
mo anticipation ne say on the 17th no and win.
Oh no will win. No, so na
no and win. But because no are winning into no. See about to DC is wabampa and yet on partisan basis.
Good.
That is your understanding.
That is how there pan no.
Okay.
Ticket. Me man see from the share. E do baby.
One no dey see from the because we here and then come on and then kwara nka osan nka mamu gina ho. Nka osan mamu gina ho na nka ye.
Ticket we dey ma me fancy from. Ade ba ko a e wo say e do baby e tie ase. Wo say
me no me ma wa me dey because what can
we buy? Wo National House of Chiefs mpo kakraba statement aba or hini we say support we see and support why adwini na nyepe.
Okay, and on that basis na me be say honorable question honorable what would me aka asem bi and a hono na omo kan bi a hono ya me epem me nim say won so epem mo a say dey see politics ye be wie no na sa assemblyman ya no mododo ye say ye mfa ne say 100 a ye nya mu 50 omo ye MPP 4 ye nya mu 50 omo ye NDC 4 in this say afemi hu assemblyman na me hu ne say MPP ni assemblyman meme NDC ni bi e be den se me kɔ ne nkyɛn meme MPP ni me nim se me kɔ ne nkyɛn because of the way see politics no. It appears to me a very strong point mon kan bibia kire say betimi a diffuse saa de no
e che say obi obeji say e na dibia na ada say o dada ne ho anaso otumfu trogu nkofo ani anase onim de woka
adenti
okay opa fra am free ni bia on phone sisi the current assemblyman on be on party crow
but only host party ni
but omunim party crow
but only host party ni
it was the difference
is that oba on me yef sa party no sem oba as assemblyman
no oya party sem na ye den but type ben near the formal
party sem for example sa assemblyman no be kono now or the be a party or she party be t-shirt many born super men kode hobiem but when they say oh even though our MPP and NDC inclinations there but when so am assemblyman nti me kono ho a emu enye den kese se me hu se we die or ye mi afi mehwe na okuta vote Bama 2020 and I vote na 2020 because or yeah to say I am partisan nti
say what dream you said to say the NDC for dream you say party 7 year it's about power and authority keke so when you power no authority no who control state resources no if intention no there this is the way you would think and this is the way you argue but obianso politics mo nim say it's about people so the puntu because wherever you coming from or ma ojino ma name nipa na sitena ni ye mu no if that is what politics is all about development
so Argentina ye jani parana onkoye ni developmental agenda in whatever capacity not necessarily
yes so obetna akonya ticketing ya you must be a media practitioner you must apply it obia hunu bia betuna ba betna ya na there be opese wo ye lawyer and you also call law school na say na usua person footballer learn how to play football untumi ka say me so me Ghana ni therefore kwesi apia frame na me so me ball ni bi we talking about politics so yeah politics where at the local government issues are here can kura to begin with okwa assembly ho na emra na ya hye kura di control this local government system no ejina 4 legs so assembly na kasa no the DC or partisan and as partisan per an appointment or partisan the MP got 4 legs so the MP or partisan and as partisan or partisan the elected the appointed members or partisan as partisan they are and now the elected members just 1 out of the 4 pay and then partisan base of Edobagwa could go. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So 4 leg na assembly na kase generation 3 out of it partisan.
Okay.
Now 1 na kano.
I didn't know already no.
Yes.
I didn't honorable minister question. Said your constitution is CTA. And this regime yeah and nemo pesa mosasanu. Munya the benefits of 2001 to 2008 and you worked with it. Mubet mi actually be a tosini during that period na mo de year you must said ye na tie no.
Society even constitution said ye dynamic.
Maybe so a specific question.
Yes, I don't know answering. Society be a dynamic. So beka say enra ye ni say enra near to nuakamu and a cool school. Eti ene Satan yet in nuakamu ye who problems be out of it. Enti ene young
person. Yes,
said na me
address that period no. Notwithstanding the fact that some campaign it was one of your campaign promises. Some ba mo bese sana ma ye said ye ne ya mo pese mo ye.
Yes.
But throughout no mo anye ne sa. Na bisa say mo ye bibi wo ho a eto sini ana.
Definitely, we need to improve. For example, cost say at the top, no, a bit divisive. Let me be say, we are sure say, see, learning from the beginning, and you are practicing at that level, the bar so far, and cause divisiveness, yeah, you can was a issue ana. It is a official divisiveness, echo so a problem. Solution, they say, learn how to tolerate each other from the beginning.
And to me, suggestion be in addition to the work can I say. They say yes, schools, private school, basic schools near the Ninano. Young man quadani na so more exercise or more beliefs in various political ideologies. One shall see him from Monquada bring because of
no, you can't voting age. Brand Nipano enya can say Christ. What do Mpempe so bia otumi kire na dwen e wo se hwan
China ni akola na so bobol no hoye akola kete
football yes and I'm say football dey no different
me abu so yes wo nkobo no mfam
yes and I'm say football dey no e different because enkora no say allow omo a e be mo ma beto aba na
ya man nto but say
ne wo
so about nkuntin kwan e prepare nipa for political office me just nya about nkuntin
multi-partisan is about it see ye beto aba ni aka say minua Eric and then ko ono betumi aye adwuma no na ase minua tiki ana se
but training to become say ni pano there
that is why I don't say
abato na kire training ni pano be ye sa niema na be ma na timi aba be ye the type of person aye pen no assemblyman whatever no
ye issue ni nyina ye say omo points omo de ba no saba obi emu a say esoro no bikri ni ade e wo soro ho eti omu fisi e de kwase ho bi su be ba yes and I make sure say bikri no was soro because ya mfa antete look tiki omo bi wo ma akomu a hwe Ghana ham the way are Christians ni Muslims you to meet together for fair uhu problem bia wo fit no adentia we've been like that from Yankora Brema bepem ene even tribal issues are ene issues bio ketesi Kwame Nkrumah no those people started boarding house system ni ti no me hu me nua so fi he it's no more an issue bio eso ko ba bia na ka major issue so dem say me no share now you Muslim na me a Christian and even within the Christendom no kra no me call Latter-day Saints na wo ye Pentecostal it's not an issue because right from Yankora Brem ya used to it ya mature with it we tolerate each other multi-partisan issue don't forget say a foreign culture ye de nka ye di nananom ahensem om de ka tumisem na no mudi tumisem na no mudi tine a foreign ene de e be hye ye kon ya giatum say yesu ye besua house ye nia ye nyi ye mpanyimfo it's ye besua ni yesua ni ye di a and I make say yen started from down there. They started from down there, near become tolerant of one another's view. You who say yes, after all, it's not yes. Organia one as a coin kitano. But the other side, nipping at the other side, no, Caribbean at the and as Organia Diabisuano, white key womb, black key's womb. Ubo white key nunqua, and you know, and yet dead, and query, Ubo black nunquanso, and yet then query, but two no. It is how you used to it.
Unim piano mukra.
PC.
White keys. I just say, bought 7th note now, bought black back one frame. But ordinarily, but that's on the lighter side. But ordinarily, Adekye Nsroma will be frame.
But the bottom line, make sure you say,
Pedro no being example.
So me koya me tears and watch him because I'm the back what me dream. So the bottom line is say, you between and learn coexistence. It doesn't matter. Say it here me yakotokoni na minu ebi or house and I say yeah. It doesn't matter. Me nko or say to me tinaka bakum near co stadium. Ye bef fear ya sabe we fufu edi. It doesn't matter. So call Methodist na me call Latter-day Saints. It doesn't matter. So what NDC na me what MPP. It shouldn't matter. So it's the problem of say course was wrong. The resolution they say ye be teach our people. Right from the word go, no man say it doesn't matter. Ye gina after all, say them kind of say nye power, ni authority keke na ope. Na botai ne say impuntu na apaso di kokro so dia. Ti se mu nyina botai no e ye pese ye free ha ye kokumase. Except say me feel say ye fa air ye ko buy air. Means no dia ye ko buy air ni be du ntem. On the other hand say ye pese ye ko da kumase keke dia what's the point? Say me ko buy air na ye nko no boko ye nya botai de nya yi. There be me patch say be our time, luxury of time. To while away the time when you drive one na so
the timing belt at TC nkoko ne play 40-30 bis when
I know so be to me see 5 minutes so but at the end of the day no nyina mbota say yenye yenkokumase it is hard also to me see true say ye nyina ebo time say ye fam pontuo emra nemum me what this side them feel say kwan we so ne fa so a e bedu ntem so say kwan we so do you convince me as to why we should go by air or by road? We should be tolerant, that's all.
Eric, my minister a question. One of the arguments MPP Foye any omo supports yes vote in the say a breathing thing you complain about winner take all. And I want to believe say maybe see a year court your archives we may find one time or the other MP NDC be akasa about say winner takes all. And what they are saying is that you to ban say Say yato parliamentary na ebi ma be NDC for na ebi ma be MPP for yi. Ase house so ye benya bisa wo ho. NDC for ni MPP for ni. Eno na nya de pa.
Tike me da say. Before my ba question. Once honorable can say me say okwa ase ho 4 legs and 3 e wo ha na ba ko wa. But you see with the assembly concept, you could do assembly meeting. DC on a capacity chain presiding member. One of us, and you know, a ton of swab by a presiding member. Into this, you know, what no a member of the assembly, but a bad you and a whole thing, PM near powerful, you know. So the EPC on say party any party
be powerful crowd now what they call for executive approval.
Any party be any party seen and in no. At the end of the day, you see about Tiano. What you say? And your league as a party, some near but ye Jehudi, ye watching ye. And secondly, TK, and TNSA, the partisan politics equal from what? Civil service, civil servant and public servants. Are we going to ban them from politics? Because in my area, minimobia or a bank manager or a assembly member. In my area, minimobia or a director or institution be or assembly member.
But say bank manager be or a private bank be no.
No, meba or they be a you be any free home. Ne emfa normal ya. Said this way the union is good. Until they be an faton good. The person may say, yeah, Banner, we should calculate all these factors. Because there was some sort of persona or more for more. They are not interested in partisan politics. Their key interest is to help their community.
And this banker no on standing as independent.
Independent, now when you're doing it, Krumha, or Kofi start to go independent, no more class.
What's the saying?
What's the saying? Make us, I
do independent. When you
Kofi Paluni, joy 2012. You were 2020, so there be a joy 2012. What I'm telling you is, it is not easy in our system, you know. TK, Okoya Patemu Bebia, assembly member, Ubini Nere Ntokaba, assembly member, Nesisi Omuntem. Find this in MPP Brem. Na NDC ni na yeren kono who's assembly member MPP. No, those things will never happen. We know. No. Some of the areas, your assembly member, o chain flag bearer. Me na me catch it. Someone no mon form. Yeah, you free form hoba no. Na o honorable credit de be ma no. Minim. Honorable de be ma no. MP credit ba o nya sa fans no. Eti munya omo na omo enjoy omo small honorable form ho without our partisan nature. On your question. Say same crowd now 2 questions.
Let's say idea no meaning more than words.
Good.
Idea now better no say
yes.
Most money be.
Meba.
When your president
almost winner takes all. Winner takes all.
When you be was
winner takes all no. Effective was run or form.
Say
winner takes all. No age man no. Oba ya obi wo common fan secretariat a opamo no de na atoshi former MP Kotena ho no. Wa o can winner takes all. Oba ya local governance service obi wo ha opamo na the party person akotena ho. Oh, can winner takes all? What are they talking about? What is the understanding of winner takes all? And kwafo na omo nya amanyo semu mpo omo titi various offices because the president Mahama ma be more appointment. What's that your money then you come out telling Ghanaians of winner takes all? What is their justification here? If winner takes all indeed and am oka ho asema nya de hia nie o da bia me no tikrom ha ye kasafa affirmative action bill meboa ye say even ye ma kra na ye hye omu kra se de be ye benya dodo wo mra hye bedwam no ye nya enti ye mfa mra se de be ye be ma ne sam Porsche mo makọ aban bi timi ba no wa hye bo se ma ban mu ma 30% appointment enko wie na akosi se even within your own party o the winner takes all na eba mu dia ase ho mamu kra esro ha no na ye problem no because even the security couples you cited that example TK obi a regional commander Oh, Najuma effect kama but because NDC ne pension here and regional commander na ba we ba na shafo ne na kwetena baby.
And I said the other way. And I said the other way.
Good. And I me no kase.
Men can good. Kase
and I me no kase.
This point gap point
and I me no kase. And I me no kase. Oko ye kan say finance ministry. What is na no adabi ye so omu ye shake up GRE. I know some of them. Obi so kwa ono na office wa no wa ba fie. All because aban bi pension officer no wo GRE no or da so aban bi aba wo say pe ba bi manefa your system no say can we not take so dia mom yem fa ya form ho no kra mamu kra ho de enko bi because appointees na ye kan dodo na asoro ha na o ha na o mo hyehyɛ mra ne nyina na ye de akɔfom so the policy implementers are there wo na wo the policy ne kono you are here then now ye fa we not take so no tike ye position ne say ye partisan politics ye mpese ye de kɔfom but we support election of MMDCs but not partisan yes basis. Because ye nim the partisan politics edi Ghana nya ye nka sa amanyo semo nye sa na ye ka because o ye den party any party bi ya na e bebu o man no but the ye kire ne say over the national level o hwe how amanyo sem na ye niema bi ama ye development bi retard a ye mpe ne sa biem tike just imagine MPP aban betina konwa so na no ko kan budget o say year of rules meboa year of rules oba obetina konwa so almost 3 years aban bi kwanda koko rules na award the contract more than 230 o the 3 years award no enti ene such programs now are retarded development now inflate cost no sen akonanim no at the detriment of the citizens in the country and we are not going to allow that to happen to those at the downtrodden e form of the lalai enti opega na nkoso opega na mpuntu a oje ballot paper na ase ho no fatim so and my who say kasa no kre 10 and more acting in a bad faith and John Boadu ma me nua pani ma me kan say John e ho dem fanko because mo twa mo manifesto man frɛ ye na ye betwere de mo
no on come manifestos
da bi o de ti
commodity course na
ye ne o mo fa o de ti
parliament statements
of the party na your structures your structure where your party no the highest decision making body and the transnational no edit the party's position ba bonten and don't forget Emrashe Bedwafo na and as say Emrashe Bedwafo na o kan o kotu omo no they are all in support of the political party's decision. Obi po wo ha no ne nya adwena waka na asem but the flipping system will work as a party. That is it. And I mean no kasa ono abo be na
popo mo ni ma che o.
Popo ye ni me ba ono
asa weapon na weapon say.
Enu bi na e pese de kwa assembly no party no
weapon che say.
Che say ha ne ye kwa ye. Tie ha ne ye kwa ye.
Da bi Eric hwemani na me kan weapon che say.
Oh say
fabric tree speak tree.
Like
ship
ye nyina ye kwa ha ye kwa.
Ship che say. Mpre
ase ye kan mrashe bedwem ye kan prepare and ye kan mpre say honorable leader
honorable prepare there
o say
nya fie people no oh dabi
the jump
king na ya ba king but tiki me dem
people crowd it me hear something else
tiki me dem no see from no almost see asesan ya adwen almost bi da tiki just last 2 years MPP for years almost kofa towing levy aba okay and Ghana for sorry ye mpe Adekye ye mosesa ma adweme boa na no ada mokoye am fraudulent deal PDS ya Ghana for so jagu mo so no moka kira America for say mo fa mo $190 million mosesa ma adweme boa enti adwensesa ne de metimi ama mo bebre but the person kire ne say de be ma man no mpuntu akoso me I'm not here for the interest of my political party's interest because baby I'm free ba no tike me na minim baby I'm free ba it could be so come petem obi nya opportunity e manya bida enti se ema enema no ko fore na ntitimu no san koduru ase ho a tike kwan ya wose ye fa so boa ye humpo ne ye nye asem a meka no no abode obetimi ayi ano a me sister ma no ye MP no apart from MPP for man no timi almost and this is office
obia
TK good morning Bajo Muntie I'm listening to your program but seriously I'm confused because both of your guests are making sense it's honorable Edward Eni I'm say I was say organize a debate dan the bar ebi omote ho nti went me anka ni obi aba na mbegina ho on say mo kasa nyina me yemi ti say mo kana say Thomas man ma say oya na say judge bi wa say otimi ka say asa wo ya convince me o wa do say asa wo so ya convince me etino empire so da etino honorable
tike no my me dem anu
na one see
oh that me
na one person anu see
30 seconds me dem anu see no ye be sre electoral
commission.
commission.
30 seconds.
Dr. Bosman Asari.
Matis Mwaka Zasem, so we need maybe
topic for now.
Interview no 3FM. Yes, Reno. On Shen Kasa, you say ye boy, referee ni coach, or Mojuma Yapu. Bosman Asari, man, artist or your coach. Was say, on only in India, yes, and a ye. But what is a bimuso ye campaign for no, and almost put it up on more argument. Nina ye, but no, yes, nay. Now referee who could no more me a bobo. Oh, Baba can't say play away now than a bonnet. 3FM TV3 others sisters. So we are telling them they were all yen in the
topics.
About referendum. He spoke about the referendum.
Now, during panel discussions, we hear communicators and show hosts advising us to stop politicizing national issues, especially if we want Ghana to progress. So, why are the MPP and their chiefs, or describe chiefs in a way I would not go that way, now clamoring for a yes vote in the referendum to bring partisan politics into our local government? This is pure hypocrisy. Then okay. All right. Okay. Well, where Kofi is, so I'm also adding my voice as the president of the Greater Accra Handball Association to wish Dr. Ben Asante of Ghana Gas a happy birthday. We wish him all the best. So, Dr. Ben Asante, one more for you. Then BMD. Honorable.
Okay.
Mutie program no say apai.
Empire.
Omo no mo hwe program mo say apai I say empire.
Oh. Okay, we we so.
Oh, we have 2 minutes per.
Now we can say count there no
also the we
on close show no.
Sir, I know you show.
Oh, dey ma kwasa dey mu. Tiki. Me position this for Tiki. Enya me nwanwa. Because at the papa be any or may muhama akoso a o associate himself with that.
Menyeni.
Yeah, health insurance. Yeah, health insurance. Boycott parliament. Ropa boycott parliament. Free SHS about 45 adverts against it. Free SHS over 45 against it. It for the first time come do mo beshe bibi papa bi mu no. Me kwa na ye make class and the gofwe avimti ya na or my U10. They believe in just naysayers. That's all they do. And the papa be no person ho e bata ho. Because look, what you say for example,
matter of say be alternative say be ade amokoye.
Alternative na yempe. Alternative say for example, ope election of a friend say DCs no. Now some person be elected almost on partisan basis.
Yes.
What practicality? Who called this return more? Electoral Commission say ya open nominations. Obi a open DC bia. The whole nipa 1,000 crowd obi a timbe right? Obi a nipa 1,000 crowd obi a mejinabi. Na yankoto omo so aba.
No say man bi no ho it be bad sir. It me ba say your president nipa be
any multi party yi kra uko ya Saudi kra bibia asa so no. Ten obutuma nya example say no so yentwam. But when you example say no so yentwam. So
says na all can dey me ma hye me kakra. We mean tell me machine no.
Dey na meka.
Says all can say mo demo party no NDC for no MPP for mo pese mo je ase ho no so.
No, that is
mo the screen na mo the yi mo nkrofo.
That is where you getting it wrong. E ho no hwe dike bibia anya bufu say wo the message you apa Danchira West as an example. Na ebia yakọ parliamentary elections awie. Na NDC candidate amanfo na what district ho mo ano ato abade tia no. Meaning say they don't like his leadership or her leadership in the MP no. So by majority decision sometimes overwhelming. The party winning at the national level ntino na ya appoint on so na womra lead that
and now you to say MP ni appoint na so minister of region corona or
yes ewa bra see man kofo na kwanja they said the reflected kakra during the parliamentary election now just say do ba say man for no to abamo a come pel to as their leader in that eba ne saying and because by the current system by appointment intino one for no are rejected overwhelmingly.
Is that the one I'm appointing? And your appointing no was who say nipa we are rejecting
no, but that has been the norm. It make sure say nothing I say pano chano yemfa sa to me no nya den. Enkwase ho.
Okay.
Now one select your leadership. And also what problem of it?
Okay.
Medase. I want say
Eric,
honorable men I can say NDC they are the papa be bana yempa.
Me say mo fa mo ho hyem na masate examples.
I say omode insurance eba yetwe ye ho free. TK say wo hwe yemra pon a mre bi atwa mu no na kwa yaresa bia kra na enye uska. Obeka time I pass the Hospital Fees Act. It was Act 1971, Act 387. Oko section 1 buzi apenso. And the Hospital Fees Act by buzi asefo asem ye kan ni bi nete a wo kase. Ye nuano ma na omukosu apon mre bi atwam na omuntua school fees buzi apenso and the amend this and manina. What am I say? Nursing training colleges. What am I nursing training colleges are no moji allowance buzi apenso ye twam rolling sign kofa by and nearby near ye radio because of
and Mahama should be
and
Mahama as a paper.
Oh, honorable. And it's a okasa no I careful. Insurance I can wasem. Mo de mutual buy. Meboa. You buy near the national health insurance.
That is not true. That is not true.
Go and check there.
Okay, sir,
even here, don't go there. Amanyo semna ye kan bi ni o ma menka.
Dey na me wanka. Me correct
President Mahama even here appointing the ministers no. Yes when impo no mo se mo obi ansi ho. Ye beti na so afo mo se mo obi. You did a lot because of partisan politics. The interest of your political party. Say ye ria mo aba. That time no. So what I'm telling you today ni say the econo yes say there ye mpese there ye gidigidi wo so ra ye bi kofom. That is our stance. And notwithstanding TK
now what you politics gidi
say you see the idea agora what the yenko try of
politics no ye gidi was
e beto da you be see dress you NDC for be di omudwa NPP for be di omudwa
look at this
yes it's a fact because now me know can say when say you partisan love kra chen ye bloody you know so be who need
party executives
the zeal or the
NPP party executive
because there's some hatred we know they do baby let's be factual no credit ye to sebe okay the ye can say nyame ya adom na mre ne so a box man asare mo so mo pay yes ye no so a person puntuo kofom ne ye pe no into gi paper na ase ho for Ghana puntuo for non partisan politics ye can say partisan politics say be kofom na be ma dwon so aboy say akokọ no to kofom
okay
na me de ma no
mamintie verdict on the manfo akeka kan bi o ma akeka
o na asem bi se me ka sen ka me ka
and I'm just kind of message say because we na say be you know take one
na say be important okay
they be important John Neil Van der Poel says that partisanship in district assembly will not do us any good. The country is already sharply divided by political colors. We won't allow politics to engulf the grassroots too. We have absolutely nothing to lose if we reject partisanship anyway. However, Afrobarometer indicates 58% of Ghanaians are unaware, indifferent, and apathetic of the upcoming polls. NCC should do more than it has done. Musa Osmanu says that TK, please tell Honorable Aya that Ghanaians who vote a big no, they always find it difficult to defend it, but it won't work. Musa from Tad. Elijah says that TK, you can see me whether or not yes, the government is full of politics. As for NDC, still na. Jet Ohima Adepajman says that TK, greet Eric for me. Eric, I greet you.
Ohima,
Abedi Kwadasu says that TK, we thank God MPP slams NDC's attempt to sabotage December 17th referendum. What the NDC is doing is unpatriotic betrayal. Okay, you're asking me, how can I thank God for this? Honorable Abedi. Okay, Sir Ewuku Esuboy says that we should stop this hypocrisy in this country. We all know that district assembly elections has always been political. Even in 2012, Mr. Sidin Ketia held a press conference to tell Ghanaians that 60% of the assemblymen then were all NDC members. So today, what has changed? one good 10 deserves another. Yes, Eric. That's something about Kana.
TK, your best friend, Abay. Ghana Education Service. Yama funny serious kakra. When you say Enkwada no antena school more than 10 weeks, textbooks MI. And I'm telling you on record, sir, you can say comprehensive sexuality I could raise by almost a buano. TK on record, Eric J. cannot my printing books in India. Now, a full almost sent to come. And I'm going to catch the Ghana for say, or fan share syllabus no man come. Until the Abba in Quadratin school 10 weeks, textbooks into me, they should come and tell us. They are now printing new textbooks. But kuna your man kakwa.
But are sir, but textbook men no because your textbook no na
and I'm saying from
but point textbooks na last week me interview.
Yes, no, I'm saying.
Sir, I'm more complaining to no your man brand.
I'm saying.
Well,
no tangible reason.
The defense was that textbook near supplementary.
Were you convinced?
And that
supplementary to who?
My child dear paying. You say textbook here.
Good.
The man better mark be say bibi crona at the corner I train textbooks na sense no. Yan in term
number because the American say textbooks no na comprehensive no ewom
minimum
and ye paja enti afi no mo
ma can be a man say mran
and me dey call second cycle no and also mo show
at the points yes me no
say education basic na second cycle
no bo so
second cycle dey na American yes remo mo pɛ aduane man kwada na ndi because enkwada ekomi term normally no mo kɔ Fridays and Thursdays no mo resume Monday Tuesday no mo start classes na no ya enkwada ekɔ me term no you sign the notice ekomo mo fie so mo extending 1 week amom now yes enyo from 3 4 no meba
no more problem with flu let's clear
TK David yeah enkwada ogo I have the letters here meba TK meba from 3 4 na you see omo mom na antena fie no omo na won so hwe wo
me no na partisan do ye non partisan so kra
and me friend TK won say wa confirm you debate no said see we say won na ye non partisan ye ma won you see the negative aspect of partisan politics that you say what you get confused what I'm saying is that
Facebook asem no ya
o say me na me partisan ye ma won na won ya partisan enti Ghana for
me
partisan politics.
Me find it.
We an American. Power na or into politics just because of power. That's all.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you start about politics no. Say you pay development.
Na political party without need of
power no mo nim dia modeye.
Na mo power dey na mo
be o mai bia na mo di akosha amef nsa. You
don't talk like that.
Okay.
So don't go there.
Man was here.
Mene honorable Benaye oba wa shamata ni binti no ona wose nka be man time pa nso so me de ma mu nyina
because am pay tia
da bi e chere pe Dr. Ben Asante, once again happy birthday. Yes organizer na your birthday sir anopa no wo mae no ye atebu kwa me dan so kwan
no
na ohene ebu nkutujo camera ni mu epacho aban yeso
so nim so almost suspended
so
yawe
da bi hwe sansem na mo kan pa mo chairman
professor Mills person e kate so
na bi
time be no mu yi machine
and
I'm say time be no mu yi machine
assuming says mu yi 2017 impo a
hwe no da one hwe
yes Mills time na mo kate so
assuming says mu yi 2017 impo a question is sabre ni nyina no na Canada ho yede
ticket
from Mills so me politics Mills we you na
o me kwa we me fast nche be 3 months
enye mo asem me masem na me kan me kwan ho asem na me ohene ebu nkotodwe
Jesus
aban de o twam no twam ko Eric mo kura de mo benefit from sa community no more because mo no mo to aba mo a on so we akọ Mumfa nto Erica na wira ahoso na
8 years mo koda da mo ka so man tumi aye sa kwan
me petition dia komo mo mpani